पुलीस स्टेशना भितर एका तरणाट्याक मडगांव पुलीस उपनिरीक्षकान मारबडय केल्या. ह्या उपनिरीक्षकाचेर गुन्यांव नोंद केला. तरणाटो कागाळ नोंदोवपाक गेल्लो तेन्ना ताका बडयलो. अजापाची गजाल म्हळ्यार पुलिसांक उपनिरीक्षकाचेर गुन्यांव नोंदोवपाक 10 दीस लागले.
ही घडणूक 23 नोव्हेंबराचे रातीकडेन घडली. कागाळ नोंदोवपाक गेल्ल्या तरणाट्याक ही कागाळ फाटीं घेवपाची धमकी मडगांवचो उपनिरीक्षक दिवपाक लागलो. पूण आयकनाशिल्ल्यान उपनिरीक्षकान ताका मरसर मारपाक सुरवात केली. मेडिकल रिपोर्टा प्रमाण पिडेस्त तरणाट्याच्या आंगाक गंभीर घावे जाल्ले. त्या प्रमाण ताणें पुलीस निरीक्षका कडेन कागाळ केली. कितलेशेच दीस जाले तरी कागाळ नोंदून गेना म्हूण आदवोगाद सिओला वाझ हांणी ह्या प्रकरणात लक्ष घातलें आनी उपनिरीक्षकाचेर गुन्यांव नोंदोवपाक पुलिसांक फोर्स केलो. पळयात सिओला वाझाचें म्हणणें.
The police nearly a week to register an FIR. Today is 1st of December and yesterday on 30th of November they registered the FIR. It took them no less than 7 days to register. 23rd is the date of offence and 30th is the date of the FIR being registered. However, it is because of our sustained efforts that it was registered. On 25th, I had intervened as a lawyer for them and we had communication with the police and despite the police being reluctant, it was notable from their expression. Despite them being reluctant, we were able to push through. It is really, if you go to see a case where you are unsafe inside a police station where you have gone to settle a matter, where you have gone to complain about a matter. You are a person who is a victim maybe, or you are a person who is a complainant bona fide in a matter, and you are going to. It's apparent that a lot of youngsters during the pandemic and even before the pandemic and even now after, it is noted that police were simply beating up people on the roads in the name of discipline, in the name of getting them off roads. They were beating them up, they were humiliating them, and no part of this is permissible under the present rules. Now, most notable even beyond that is that in Goa, we do not have a police manual. Other states of India have a police manual where they are strictly made to adhere to certain SOPs, adhere to certain procedures. In Goa, we don't have that.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.